What's up, guys? Brett here. And today I want to talk to you about a number of things, but I want to start off with talking about digital marketing and specifically using promotional offers to get new people in the door, because a lot of people are against it. A lot of people never want to use any kind of discounts ever, never want to give out any kind of free offers. Now, the first thing I want to say on discounts versus free offers is there's a big difference. People can get addicted to discounts, okay? Offering 10, 15, 20% out, 20% off, whatever the case, people can get addicted to that. But generally speaking, people don't get addicted to free items, which is why here at Misfit Media, we love doing buy one, get one deals to get new people in the door for the very first time. We like doing it specifically because I can, generally speaking, bring in two people for the price of one. Getting more people to try your food, experience your restaurant for the first time. But also on top of that, it's an attractive offer. It's something that people get really excited about, right? A buy one, get one deal. That's pretty awesome. And then on top of that, using our systems, really what we do at Misfit is we create a marketing funnel. When I want to run an ad to reach someone for the first time and I show them a promotional offer, it's very attractive in, let's say, your Facebook or Instagram newsfeed. It's very easy to get someone to stop in their newsfeed, click that ad, and then collect their information, like a phone number or email on this customer. And so now if I have that information, I can remarket to this customer after, right? So those are just a number of reasons why I like doing promotional offers in our digital marketing campaigns here at Misfit when we work with our restaurant clients. But on top of that, guys, I want to show you some really cool stuff today because there's a new client of ours. We've been working with them for just over a month, and we've seen some insane numbers, really insane numbers. And so I want to share those numbers with you today. I even want to show with you the specific ads we used to produce these numbers. And I want to reiterate that we're doing this using a promotional offer with buy one, get one deals. So for those people who hate buy one, get ones, maybe I can change your mind today. All right, so let's dive into it. So what you're looking at right here, guys, is our reporting sheet, okay? And I know our reporting sheet isn't the sexiest looking thing in the world. I get it, okay? But it does track a lot of stuff that's very important. So I want to start first with what we spent. On this example, we spent $759. And the next number I want you to look at is our total track sales. We made $21,000 back. Okay? And that is the total value earned. That isn't excluding the discount for the items. That's the total amount of money made for the restaurant. Okay? So again, spent $759, made $21,000. In the process of doing all this, making a ton of cash, we also were able to reach 114,000 impressions. That's through Facebook and Instagram ads. I also was able to collect 1,690 phone numbers and emails on these customers that saw these ads, clicked because they were interested, and opted into our database, okay? And then on top of that, the third thing I got here was redemptions, right? The customers actually came through. So we saw a little over 500 customers come through our system to redeem these offers and spend $42 on average. Pretty insane, pretty amazing results. Now, the last thing I want to point out in this before I move on and show you guys the actual ads is in this example for this client, what you can see here is the cost per contact. So what this means is for every 45 cents I spend on Facebook and Instagram ads for this client, we're getting someone to give us their contact. And if we look at our redemption rate, which is 29.9%, let's just call it 30%, it's basically a third of people that give us their phone number are then going to come in to redeem the offer. So just for some easy numbers, right? This isn't the exact math, but for what we can estimate here is about for every $1.50 we spend on average, we're getting a customer to walk in the door and spend $42. Okay? I got those numbers from these two here, right? 45 cents per contact. 1 in 3 of those contacts, based off my redemption rate right here, becomes a customer. So call it 45 cents times 3. Let's call it $1.50, right? every $1.50 I spend, we make 42 bucks. Of course, minus your food costs, right? If you want to think about that from the cost perspective. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Pretty badass. Now, like I mentioned earlier in this video, I want to show you also what we are doing to get someone's attention. I mentioned it's a buy one, get one deal, but I want to show you what we're doing on the back end on Facebook ads, because it's not something I really show too often on our YouTube channel here or on Facebook or Instagram. So let's dive into it. So if we go here, we can look at Facebook Ads Manager, and you can see that our first campaign, let's see, was just in February. It was this one right here. We did a buy one, get one burger. Okay, I'm just looking at the stats here on the right, make sure I'm looking at all the right stuff. Yeah, cool. So in this ad for the buy one, get one burger, we spent 350 bucks. We made another ad for a free dessert, which we only spent about $5 a day on. And then we've recently started another buy one, get one appetizer campaign, which the budget's gonna be 350 bucks there too. So total ad spend, again, like we mentioned, is about 770 bucks. All right, so spent 770 at this point so far, okay? Now, let's dive into the ad level, the ad set level, to show you exactly what we're doing. Again, like I mentioned, we are running ads on Facebook and Instagram. You can see on this campaign, though, it looks like we've had a lot more success on Facebook as opposed to Instagram. That's why the numbers here are so small. So let's focus on the Facebook campaigns, okay? Generally speaking, working with a client too, even though I'm just doing one campaign for like a buy one, get one burger, I always want to experiment with different types of ad creative. So you can see in this example, we have 3 different photos, but they're all directing towards the same campaign. The reason I want to have 3 different types of photos is I want to experiment with what's going to do better or worse, right? I want to see if something's working or not, right? A buy one, get one burger campaign is attractive, but maybe one photo or over another will do better. And so I want to experiment. I want to do at least 2 or 3 variations to A/B test what's working better or worse, okay? So if we look over here, I want to evaluate, generally speaking, based off my cost per result. And in this example, it's using Facebook Messenger. So someone's actually clicking Messenger, opting in to get this special offer. So if we look at my numbers here, right, in this first picture, it's about 24 cents per message conversation started, okay? This one's 36 and this one's 31 cents. So in this one, you can see it has 44,000 impressions. So clearly this one's working the best. Picture number 3. Now, they're all working really well. It's pretty badass what's happening actually right now. This is really, really cool. These are all killer campaigns. But of course, this one's working the best. So let's focus there. So if I click here, I want to show you guys a preview of what this looks like. Now, this is it. This is what we're doing for this client, okay? It says free burger. For a limited time, get 2 burgers for the price of 1. It's the ad copy that goes in there. I won't bore you guys with that ad copy, but I want you to look at this photo. This is it, guys. A clean looking shot of the burger. We put a little text over it that says free burger so we can capture the attention of these customers. And then in order for someone to get this special offer, they just click this button here, send message. Now, this example, you can also see we got 127 comments. We got I'm sure a lot of likes here. And we got 102 shares. That means over 100 people are literally sharing this ad with their friends. Pretty amazing. A whole nother reason why I love social media ads. It's so powerful because we're able to spend money to reach the right types of customers, and then they're also sharing it with their friends. It's just wild. So anyway, guys, that's all we'll have for today. I just wanted to show you, the back end of kind of what we're doing here at Misfit. I wanted to show you the specifics of how we're doing what we're doing. And I also want to reiterate that, look, Facebook ads is something that anyone can do, right? This is something that I would recommend anyone taking a shot at. But if you want to get more strategic with it, if you want to be able to track results, you want to be able to see stuff like this, this isn't stuff that you do in Facebook. This is kind of what happens after. Just want to make that super crystal clear. So again, Facebook ads, you guys can do that on your own. You don't necessarily need our company to do that. But if you want to track results like this and you want to optimize results and you want to do text and email marketing on the back end, that's something where, if you want to get more strategic on, please reach out to us. That's generally speaking where a lot of the money is at. Like even in this client's example here, you can see we made a ton of money on the front end here, but now we're also starting to produce quite a bit of cash on the back end. Here we made $1,700. This is all purely remarketing stuff right here too. So anyway, guys, I know that was a lot of information. Didn't expect to go into all of that detail, but I hope you got some value. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to subscribe and comment below with any questions you might have. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.